What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money while watching videos. And one of these ways you can actually earn up to $186 very fast. Okay, so this is perfect for you if you just want to earn a little money on the side, maybe take a loved one out to dinner or the movies, maybe you just want to pay off a bill or pay off some debt. This is perfect for you. So make sure you watch this entire video, but at any time, if you're more interested in starting your own high ticket, high profit online business, use the first link in the description and that'll get you started with that. But now let's get on to these ways to make money while watching videos. So number 1 right here, I have it blacked out. Let's take that off, is Coinbase. Okay, so this is a cryptocurrency exchange. And I have the link to this Google Doc in the description as well, but all of it's written out in the description, whatever is easier for you to use. But you can use my link here or on YouTube and create a free account. Okay, and when you use that link, you're gonna get a $10 bonus just for signing up, and when you actually sell $100 or buy, if you're into cryptocurrency and trying to buy and sell and make money on there. I actually used to do that myself. I have Coinbase open here. You can see, I'm gonna blur out my stuff, but you can see in May I sold some, and yeah, I was into it a while ago, but this is actually an exchange. But also, I did some research, and if you click this link right here, I'll open it up, you can actually earn crypto while learning about crypto. Okay, so this is super dope, and you can see up to $186. So I'll add it up for you just so you can see this is legit. So we're gonna add 52 plus 6, and then what do we got? Plus 20, plus 50, plus 50, and then plus 8. $186. There you go. So it's legit. And all you do is you click here and you start the course, and that's how you earn the money. It's pretty simple, right? So it's super dope because cryptocurrency, unlike the US dollar that keeps going down, it will actually go up. Not guaranteed, but it can go up, I should say. So $52 in OXT, I mean, this could be $100 in a month. I mean, think about it. If you bought $100 worth of Bitcoin back when it was pennies, you'd be multi-millionaire. Okay, so this stuff is interesting, and again, this is perfect to start a little side hustle, just making money on the side. But I wouldn't say like it's a business, right? Unless you're like super into selling and buying cryptocurrency, you can make good money with this. But again, the first link in the description is how I started my own online business, started earning commissions like this. So if that's at all interesting to you, again, check that out. But how it works is once you're on Coinbase, you just go on here, you create your account, and then you just click trade, and then you can buy or sell whatever you have, right? So it's super simple, and you can see the prices right here for all of the types of crypto you would be earning here. So it's super simple, and yeah, I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know in the description. And again, I just say right here pretty much what I just showed you. Watch all the videos, earn 186, and then sell $100 or all of it, and then you will earn the $10 bonus. And that $10 bonus is in Bitcoin as well, so that could go up. Okay, so it's super powerful, and also you don't need to use my referral link, but you're not going to get the $10 bonus if you don't use it, and it's completely free. So I say why not, but again, it's totally up to you. And number 2, I like number 2 personally. I've used this one myself, and this is SwagBucks. If you've never heard of it, it's a huge survey and cashback website. And again, I just have this laid out in steps. So I say use my link here or on YouTube and create a free account. And again, you get a bonus 300 SB, which is SwagBucks. That's $3. And you get that after earning your first 300 in SwagBucks. Okay, so over here on SwagBucks, to watch videos, you would go right here and then go to watch. And then this is where you can watch videos. So you hit get started, and then it's gonna load, and then it'll bring you over there. So I'm not gonna show you how to do it. It's pretty self-explanatory, but again, they have tons of ways to make money on here. They even have surveys and all types of stuff, okay? So I think the best part about SwagBucks is like you can shop and earn. Okay, and there's no reason not to use it because they give you cash back, right? So on this Google Doc right here, I say you can also do surveys or whatever, and then C right here, you want to add the SwagBucks extension. It's called the Swag button. I have it up here. And it just shows you all these things you can watch, you can shop, you can get codes. And then look right here, you can earn 10% cash back on hotels.com, 1% cash back on eBay. Like obviously the bigger ones are gonna be less because everyone uses them anyways. And then you can look like if you buy stuff, you can earn like 3,000 SB. That's $30. Okay. So this is all free money. Obviously, you got to spend money on some of it, but it's if you're spending it already, it's free money. And then you can see right here for answers, you can do the surveys, super simple. And they also have an app. I'll load this on the screen quick. They have an app. So right here, we got SwagBucks. It's an app. And on here, you can do tons of stuff. Again, you can do the shopping. You can do the watching. And you can see they got all the different kinds of stuff you can watch. You can watch animal videos. I mean, that's pretty cool. And yeah, so you go there, you redeem it for gift cards or whatever you want. And you can see you even get 20% off the gift cards. So that's super cool, right? So like $80 or 800 SwagBucks, which is $8, you can get a $10 gift card on Domino's. So I think this is just such a powerful website for more than just watching videos, right? So super powerful. And yeah, so let's move on to the next one. Now, number 3 is called Earnably, and this is another money-making website. And again, you can use my link here or on YouTube. Unfortunately, you get nothing extra if you use my link. So either way, I think, get a little bonus, but I don't know why they don't give you anything. You would think they would give the person signing up something, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you do get something. I'm not positive. It doesn't look like you do, unfortunately, but there is a way to get free money with this company. So again, I say watch videos, do tasks, surveys, download apps. So let's just look at that real quick before I get onto the free money for it. So right here to earn, you can go to offer walls, okay? And then this is like the offer wall. They have things you can do to earn money. And then they have daily surveys, which they're really popular nowadays. I don't know why. I personally don't like doing surveys, but if that's your thing, this site is great for it. And just so you know, there are a lot of these websites around, but you have to be very careful, okay? I spent a good hour and a half, 2 hours putting this video together and researching these websites. I mean, I personally used Coinbase and SwagBucks already. I haven't used this website, but I've done so much research, and this website's been around for a long time, and it's very, very popular, okay? So, I mean, if we go right here, this is SimilarWeb. It will show you how much people watch or how much they visit, and it's 428,000 monthly visits, okay? So it's very popular, and it's obviously legit. So again, you can watch videos here, which is, what we're talking about on this video. But if there's other ways you want to earn money, you might as well do it. And then you got tasks, and that's just kind of like it'll tell you what you need to do, right? A quick survey, whatever, different things you can do. And then you can download apps, right? So very, very powerful. The apps, I mean, it depends what you need to do, right? Like some of them, this one, download, install, open, play the game for at least 5 minutes a day for 3 days, right? Pretty simple, and you earn 384 points. So that's powerful, right? So anyways, that's one way to do it. And then another way to get free money with them is go on their social media, and you can either type in Earnably or come to this doc, and you can click any of these. This will take you to their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And then for the email newsletters, if you click this link, you just have to go down here and tick this box. It says, I want to receive emails with very occasionally Earnably related news, updates, and exclusive promo codes. We'll never send you spam, right? So super powerful, and you can get a lot of promo points or like a percentage increase on what you earn for the day. And yeah, so it's super powerful. And I wanted to keep it to 3 because, you see all these videos out there doing like 27 websites to watch videos on. It's like they're all pretty much the same, and some feel like scammy, right? So I know for a fact, tried and true, that all of these are legitimate and will pay you out, okay? So that's the 3 ways to make money while watching videos. And if you want to learn, again, how to start your own high ticket, high profit online business, if you're like, yeah, that's great, I could earn some money watching videos, but I want a real business. That's what I'm here for, and I want to guide you there, okay? Because not too long ago, I was struggling very, very much. Like 6 months into my online journey of affiliate marketing, I had done things before with very little success, right? And I couldn't make any money with affiliate marketing, absolutely none. Like, it wasn't for lack of trying. I just didn't really know the proper way to do things. I didn't have the framework. I didn't have the funnels, right? And I don't want to confuse you with the word funnels because everything you need for this online business, I have to give you. Like I said, I'm going to guide you there. Really, the only thing you need is like a drive. You have to want it, right? And there's no simple way to get it. Sure, you can make 186 bucks fast doing that, but then what? What about the next day, right? They're not going to let you keep doing that over and over. So I think the best way to get started is by using a business model called affiliate marketing. But this is what I call high ticket affiliate marketing because this is how you can earn commissions like this. This is one sale. This isn't 27 sales. This is one sale. And they have affiliate products going all the way up to $15,000 to $30,000, and you can earn $15,000 commissions. Okay, that's insane. That's what some people will earn an entire year. Okay, that's seriously insane. And this is, what we have in 2020. We do have ways to make money online that are legitimate and that you help people while doing it. And that's what I want to do. I just want to help get you to where you need to go because I've done all this while still working my job, right? So it's not like you need a ton of time. You just need that drive. You need to want it, right? And I know you're probably thinking, well, you got a decent size audience and at the end of the day, I guess 738 or whatever I'm at could be decently high to some people, but it's pretty small still. But maybe to zero, that is a lot. But look at this. I only had 200 subscribers. I made my first $2,000. And look I'm up here with people with 350, 380,000 subscribers. So you can do it with a small audience and you can start growing your first online business or third or 100th online business, but do it the right way this time and do it with the proper business model. Okay? This company is unlike any other. They do all of the selling for you. I get someone in to their company on a small, low ticket, very, very valuable product. And what they do is they assign you a business plan advisor. Okay? It's like a mentor. So not only will you have me to guide you along the way, you have them. And what they do is every person you bring into their company, once you're an affiliate for that company, if that's what you want to do, they get on the phone and they help them and they will do the selling for you. Okay, so it's unlike any other program, and I truly believe wholeheartedly about this program. It's why it's pretty much one of the only programs I promote because it changed everything for me and my business. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Just make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I come out with a new video. And again, just go to that first link in the description and get started with that. And that's all I got. See you on the next video.